Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, this week we're going to be taking a look at this puppy right here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. And this is going to be the Wiha number 91850 Precision Knife Kit with Knafs Lander number 2. So here you're going to have it, guys. It's going to come in this very nice little case. Now let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So you're going to get a nice little sticker. Some information on their torque drive, which we'll see in a little bit. Let's see what we got here. We're going to take this out, this, and this case right here. So let's go ahead and zoom in and let's look at this right here first. So first off, we're going to get a pocket knife sharpener. So let's zoom in. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Well, we're going to need a knife. Well, I guess before we open that up, maybe we should look at this. This is going to be the Knafs knife, which is going to be Wiha engraved. You're going to get some nice little extra hardware right there in case you lose it, which we all know whenever you're working on knives, you're probably going to end up losing. Let me see if I could get this. You're going to get this hardware, extra screws, that way you don't lose them. Or if you do lose them, you have extra. You're going to have this nice little knife, and this is what it's going to be all about. The Wiha Knafs Lander number 2. And you're going to see it's red and black, Wiha colors, and there you're going to have it. Now that we have it open, let's go ahead and open up the next section, which was this little box right here, and this is going to be the sharpener. Unlatch, bring it in, and here you're going to have it. You're going to have the sharpener that it's going to come with. Diamonds right there, and it's going to be a 400 medium on this side, and on the other side you're going to have a 600 fine. That way you could sharpen it. So this is going to be the two items first. The next one is going to be the most important one, which is going to be the box right here that it's going to come with. It's going to be a watertight seal, and I forgot to mention that the knife by itself costs about $129. So if you're looking for just a knife, you can find it for just $129, but it's not going to be the Wiha. It's going to come with the whole set on the Wiha. So after that, you're going to get about $10 to $11 for the sharpener. And of course, next up, you're going to get a waterproof case that it's going to come with. And of course, your number. So you go ahead and you pop it open. And here you're going to have it. This is what it's going to consist of. And if you look in the back, it's going to have all the knife's information to take it apart and every little screw and bit that you're going to need, which is very nice. The Wiha Lander number 2 from Knafs. So, of course, you're going to have a little space to put it in right here, which this is where the knife's going to go. Let's zoom in. And then you're also going to have a space for your sharpener, which your sharpener is going to go right here. So there you go. It's going to complete it. So let's start up. You're going to have some bits on this side. And let me see if you can read the bits. All the bits are going to be up here. And from the top to the bottom, you're going to have your Torx bits, which is going to be Torx number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm sorry, 10, 15, and 20 Torx that you're going to get, which is located at the bottom. Next up, you're going to have your flatheads, which your flatheads are going to be 0.8 millimeter. Then after that, you're going to get a 1.2 millimeter, 1.5, 1.8 millimeter, 2 millimeters, 2.5, 3 millimeters, 3.5 millimeters, and of course a 4 millimeters. Then you're going to have your Phillips head, which is 000 Phillips head. You're going to have a 00 Phillips head, a number 0 Phillips head, and of course a number 1 Phillips head. Then after that, you're going to have your hex, which is 1.3, 1.5, and then you're going to have a 2, 2.5, and a 3. Underneath that, you're going to have your star bits, which are going to be a PL1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then after that, if you look over here to the side, you're going to have a nice little rubber pry bar. That way you don't have scratch anything. Let me see if it catches it. There you go. A nice little pry bar. Set it back in there. Then after that, you're going to get a T number 6. That way it's nice and precision so you don't mess up anything. A T number 8, which is a pretty common one that you're going to use. And it's going to come, of course, with the little top head up here. That way it swivels. And of course, you're going to get their rocket right here. This is going to be their little Torx drive. And it's very nice. So let me see here. This is going to be their Torx drive, which it rotates very nice. You can see it rotating right there. Nice bearings. And you're going to have a rubber O-ring that holds a couple bits in there, which is going to be the T6, the 0.5 millimeter flathead, and of course a T8, which is probably going to be the most common ones that you're going to use. And whatever bit you're going to have, it's going to have a magnet in there, and that way it spins and you're able to use it with whatever bit. So that's going to cover this set, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, guys, thank you all for the support, and thanks for watching. One tool a week, guys.